Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a GMC Sierra battery. Before you begin, prioritize safety. Always wear appropriate safety gloves and eye protection to protect yourself from battery acid and electrical hazards. Make sure your vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is engaged. Then, locate your battery, which is usually under the hood, but sometimes under the rear seat. Now, let's disconnect the cables. Using a 10mm wrench, loosen the nut on the negative battery terminal. It's crucial to remove the negative cable first to avoid any accidental sparks or short circuits. Once the negative cable is free, set it aside. Then, proceed to loosen and carefully remove the positive cable from its terminal. Keep both cables clear of the battery posts. With the cables disconnected, it's time to remove the battery itself. First, locate and remove the battery hold-down clamp or strap that secures it in place. This might involve a bolt or a simple latch. Once the hold-down is removed, carefully lift the battery straight up from its tray. Remember, vehicle batteries are quite heavy, often weighing around 40 pounds, so lift with your legs, not your back. When installing your new battery, first clean the battery tray and terminals to ensure good contact. Carefully place the new battery into the tray and secure it firmly with the hold-down clamp. Now, connect the positive cable first, followed by the negative cable, tightening both securely. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. This ensures a proper and safe connection, getting your vehicle ready to go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.